Hey beauty fam, ever scrolled through TikTok and seen a hack that made you go, wait, what? Or heard a beauty tip from your grandma that sounds a little questionable? You're not alone. The internet is full of beauty advice, but how do you know what's legit and what's just a total fail? Today we're diving deep into the wild world of viral beauty hacks and age-old myths. We're putting them to the test, separating fact from fiction, and figuring out what's actually worth your time and precious products. Get ready to learn, laugh, and maybe cringe a little. Okay, let's kick things off with some hacks that have taken social media by storm. You've probably seen these pop up on your feed. They promise amazing results with everyday items or weird techniques. But are they secret weapons or just clickbait? We're about to find out together. I've rounded up some of the most talked about hacks to try right here, right now. First up, the infamous tape hack for winged eyeliner. The claim? It gives you a perfectly sharp, symmetrical wing every single time, even if you have shaky hands. Just stick a piece of tape from your lower lash line towards your temple and trace your liner along the edge. Sounds easy, right? The idea is that the tape acts as a stencil. People swear by this for achieving that crisp, graphic liner look that can be notoriously difficult. It's supposed to be a foolproof method for beginners. Okay, let's try it. Demonstrates applying tape and liner. So, the line is pretty straight where the tape was, but getting angle right on both eyes can be tricky. And peeling off the tape? Ouch. My take? It can work for sharpness, but it's not the most comfortable or easiest method for everyone. It might take some practice to get the angle consistent. Plus, sensitive skin might not love the tape. A better way? Practice with a good liquid liner pen with a fine tip. Or try the dot-to-dot method along your lash line. You can also use an angled brush with eyeshadow first to sketch out the wing before committing with liquid liner. This one is an oldie but a persistent goodie, or is it? The myth is that dabbing toothpaste on a zit overnight will dry it out and make it disappear by morning. It's a classic home remedy that's been passed down for ages. The claim is that ingredients like baking soda, alcohol, and hydrogen peroxide in toothpaste will shrink the spot. It sounds logical because these ingredients can be drying. It's a quick fix many people reach for in a panic. But here's the not-so-fun reality. Toothpaste is formulated for your teeth, not your delicate facial skin. It's way too harsh and alkaline. While it might dry out the surface of the pimple, it can also cause redness, irritation, peeling, and even chemical burns around it. It can actually make the area more inflamed and noticeable. Plus, some toothpastes contain ingredients like fluoride or whitening agents that are definitely not meant for acne treatment. You could end up with a bigger problem than you started with. What should you do instead? Reach for actual acne treatments. Look for spot treatments with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. These ingredients are proven to fight acne effectively and safely. They target the bacteria and inflammation without damaging your skin barrier. Okay, this one went super viral a while back, especially for dark under-eye circles. The hack suggests applying a red or orange-toned lipstick or cream product under your eyes before concealer. The idea is that the red-orange cancels out the blue-purple tones of dark circles. The color theory behind it is actually sound. Red and orange are opposite blue and purple on the color wheel, so they can neutralize those tones. This hack promises a brighter, more even under-eye area without needing layers of heavy concealer. It's supposed to be a pro makeup artist trick. Let's test it. Demonstrates applying red lipstick under one eye. You apply a thin layer and blend it out before applying your regular concealer on top. It definitely looks a bit wild before the concealer goes on. Does it work? Yes, it can help. The red pigment does a good job of counteracting the darkness. However, using actual lipstick might not be the best idea long-term. Lipsticks aren't formulated for the delicate under-eye skin and can be too thick, greasy, or even irritating. A better alternative that uses the same principle, use a dedicated color corrector. Many brands make peach, orange, or red-toned correctors specifically for the under-eye area. They have a much better texture for blending and are formulated to be safe for that sensitive skin. This is another classic myth, often associated with getting shiny, healthy hair. The idea is that brushing vigorously 100 times distributes your scalp's natural oils down the hair shaft, making it shiny and promoting growth. It sounds like a dedicated beauty ritual. The claim is that this intense brushing stimulates the scalp and smooths the hair cuticle. It's a practice that's been recommended for generations as a way to achieve Rapunzel-like locks. It feels like you're doing something good for your hair. But the reality is, excessive brushing can actually damage your hair. Brushing too much, especially with the wrong brush or on wet hair, causes friction. This friction can lead to breakage, split ends, and frizz. It can also irritate your scalp and even increase oil production as your scalp tries to compensate. While distributing natural oils is good, 100 strokes is way overkill and counterproductive. Gentle brushing to detangle and style is all you need. Overbrushing won't magically make your hair grow faster. Hair growth is determined by genetics, diet, and overall health. What's the right approach? Brush gently to detangle, starting from the ends and working your way up. Use a wide-tooth comb on wet hair. Choose a brush appropriate for your hair type. Focus on scalp massage with your fingertips to stimulate blood flow, not aggressive brushing. Okay, this one pops up occasionally, usually in emergency situations. The hack suggests a quick spritz of hairspray over your finished makeup to lock it in place all day. The claim is that the polymers in hairspray create a strong hold, just like they do for your hair. It sounds like a cheap and easy way to make your makeup budge-proof. If it holds a hairstyle through a hurricane, surely it can handle a little face oil, right? It's tempting when you don't have a setting spray handy. But please, please, please do not do this. Hairspray contains alcohol, propellants, and polymers that are designed for hair, which is dead protein. Your facial skin is a living organ. Hairspray can be incredibly drying, irritating, and can clog your pores. It can cause breakouts, redness, and a tight, uncomfortable feeling on your skin. The chemicals are not meant to be sprayed directly onto your face and inhaled. It's a recipe for skin disaster, not a flawless finish. The safe and effective alternative: use a makeup setting spray. These sprays are specifically formulated for the face. They contain ingredients that help fuse makeup layers together, control oil, or add hydration, all while being gentle on your skin. There are tons of options for different skin types and finishes. So what's the takeaway from our beauty myth-busting and hack-testing adventure? We tried some viral trends and looked at some old wives' tales. Some hacks had a kernel of truth, but weren't the best method, while others were just plain bad ideas for your skin and hair. It's super important to be a little skeptical of everything you see online, no matter how convincing it looks. Just because something is trending doesn't mean it's safe or effective for you. Always do a little research and listen to your skin. Your skin and hair deserve products and techniques that are actually designed for them. While home remedies can be fun, they can also be risky. Stick to tried and true methods and products formulated by experts. All right, beauty enthusiasts, that's it for today's deep dive. We busted some myths and tested some hacks. Which one surprised you the most? Have you tried any of these yourself? What was your experience? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And if there's a weird beauty hack or myth you want me to investigate next, drop it in the comments too. If you found this video helpful, educational, or even just a little bit fun, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos where we explore the fascinating world of beauty together. Stay beautiful, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.